Have you ever reached the end of the month wondering where all your hard-earned cash went? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to keep track of their spending, and that's where budgeting apps come in. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular budgeting apps on the market, PocketGuard. But before we explore its features and functionalities, let's address a question that might be lingering in your mind. Where exactly is PocketGuard located? This might seem like a simple question, but for many app users, it sparks curiosity. After all, the app you use daily interacts with your financial data, so knowing its background can be comforting. From humble beginnings to financial powerhouse. PocketGuard's story starts in 2014, when Nathaniel Curtis, a young entrepreneur, found himself constantly frustrated with managing his finances. Existing budgeting tools felt clunky and unintuitive. So, Nathaniel decided to take matters into his own hands. He teamed up with a group of talented developers, and together they built PocketGuard from the ground up. Their goal? To create a budgeting app that was not only functional but also engaging and user-friendly. Silicon Valley roots. Fueled by a passion for financial empowerment, Nathaniel and his team set up shop in the heart of Silicon Valley, Mountain View, California. This hub of innovation provided the perfect environment for PocketGuard to flourish. Surrounded by other tech startups and venture capitalists, PocketGuard was able to secure funding and attract top talent. The team grew rapidly, and PocketGuard quickly gained traction in the App Store. A global reach. While PocketGuard's headquarters remain in Mountain View, the app itself has a global reach. Millions of people from all corners of the world use PocketGuard to manage their finances. The app is available in multiple languages, catering to a diverse user base. Focus on security. Now, you might be wondering, with all this financial data being stored and analyzed, how secure is PocketGuard? This is a valid concern, and PocketGuard takes security very seriously. The company employs industry-standard security protocols to safeguard user information. They use encryption to protect your data, and they have a team of security experts who constantly monitor for threats. More than just location. So, while knowing PocketGuard's location, Mountain View, California, gives you a bit of background, it's truly the app's features and functionalities that matter most. In the coming videos, we'll be diving deep into what PocketGuard offers and how it can help you take control of your finances. We'll explore features like automatic expense tracking, bill reminders, subscription monitoring, and even tools to help you find ways to save money. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, and PocketGuard can be your trusty companion along the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.